Here's how to make a bad day better. All right, it's to find 3 good things from each day. No matter how bad today was for you, you can always find 3 good things if you ask the right questions. So ask yourself, what could be 3 good things that happened today? 3 good things. They could be something so small, all right? It could simply be you waking up. Not everybody has that gift, and we usually take it for granted, but that can be a great thing. Food, that you have water, shelter, that you saw your friends today, that you saw a bird, that you saw that the weather was good today. No matter what, you can always find something, at least 3 things that happened that were good today. So look for those. Most of the time we just don't look for them because we're focused on the bad, and where your focus goes, your energy flows. And if you always focus on the bad, you're going to get more of that. You're only going to see that because that becomes your filter in life. So do the opposite. Focus on the good, and that will train yourself to see more of the good in your life, because most of the time it's right in front of us and we don't even notice it. So practice focusing on the good, guys, no matter what, no matter how bad your day was. Find 3 good things that happened, and that will make your day a little bit better. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more.